Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we are going to show you how to compress images for free with Capcut. Well, image compression is a method of encoding or converting an image into a format that occupies less digital storage space than the original. However, preserving the image essential details and visual quality is challenging. So let's see on how we can compress images by using this Capcut app. So first of all, just need to go here on capcut.com/resource/compress-images-with-is. Now you can go here on this homepage. As you can see, you just need to click on this button, which is free image compress. Once you click on this one, you will go on this page. As you can see, it will open up the Capcut online editor. And here, what you are going to do is basically, you just need to add the picture here. You can go on the photos right here on side menu and choose the photo that you want to compress. Or you can actually upload your own picture. So you can just click on this upload button, and here you can drag and drop the file. So you can go on your file explorer and find the image that you want to lower the resolution. So for example, this picture right here, and you have to wait for a few seconds to upload this picture. Now once you've done right here, so you can see the image. So we're gonna expand this. Now what we're going to do to lower this resolution or compress this video, we're gonna actually find the export button. So before that, you can actually edit this photo, you can add some effects, filter, or you can adjust this image. Now once you've done right here, you just need to click on the export button right there at the top right of your screen. So once you click on that, as you can see, you can change the file format into JPEG, and the size here, you can just adjust it to lower size, 540 by 540, and the quality, you can just set it to low. So once you've done, you just need to click on this download button. So that's how you basically compress a image with this Capcut for free. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.